Over 10 years ago, our dad's old Volvo 850 got lost at time after he passed away. 7 years later, me and my little brother finally got it back and have spent the last 2.5 years trying to bring it back to its former glory. Now it's finally time to see if our repairs hold up. So we are going to take a road trip to Sweden and find out. Well, hello peoples! All reservations have been made and our road trip will start on the 10th of June and end on the 17th of June. Total distance covered will be about 3,200 kilometers or 2,000 miles. I will cover various terrains, so that should be good enough to see if our work on the 850 will last. We will be joined by two of our good friends, Dasse and Ralph, to share this experience and help us out trying to cover the entire road trip. Good to know is that Richie insists on taking his S60, so prepare to see some footage of that as well. And that we did plan some things ahead, like where we'll sleep in a global direction, but a lot of the trip will be about just taking the day as it comes. Now, to give you a general idea of where the road will take us, on day 1 we will be driving from Weir to Gothenburg in one go. This trip is about 1100 kilometers and should take us about 14 hours, including the necessary breaks. In the morning of day 2 we will be visiting the Volvo museum and then drive to Arjong, where we'll spend the night at a lakeside cabin and possibly enjoy a nice barbecue. On day 3 we'll get up nice and early and pay a visit to the car cemetery in Basnes. After that our destination is set for Gräsmark, where we'll visit Ralph's family, who just moved to Sweden from the Netherlands, and spend the rest of the day there. Day 4 consists of a drive through the region north of Lake Vänern, and our destination will be Örebro. Here we will visit Bob Stollington, and yes, the struggle with these pronunciations is real. Anyway, we'll enjoy ourselves some nice beers here, after which we'll spend the night in a nearby hotel. On day 5 we'll be taking the long route from Örebro to Grana, as we'll almost completely drive around Lake Vänern. We'll take our time here, make plenty of stops along the way. Our destination will be another wooden cabin, and if possible we'll throw out a line or two and spend some time fishing in the evening. The road trip continues on day 6 by driving from Grana to Malmö, and along the way we hope to encounter some interesting things and just see where the day will take us. In the evening we'll be chilling out at the Malmö seaside. Day 7 is our last day before going back home, and to honor our dad and hopefully a successful trip, we'll be heading to Wittenberg, Germany and feast on some schnitzels and beer. After sleeping out a little bit, day 8 will be the day we return home, hopefully with 2 running Volvos and an experience to never forget. So the idea is to document the entire 3,200 kilometer trip as much as possible, make our old man proud of his restored 850, enjoy the company of good friends and hopefully be able to make some interesting videos for all of you to enjoy. And as always, thanks for watching and see you the next time!